Hello friends, welcome to my channel Trade Learning. This video I prepare only for learning and educational purpose. Before I explain about my watch list, let me explain how do I enter into the trade and how do I keep my SL. First thing is I do not trade before 9:20. Once 5-minute candle breaks my level and body closes above the level, then I will enter into the trade if next 5-minute candle crosses last candle body high and my SL is below the low of previous candle. Once price starts moving in my direction, then I also will start trailing my SL. I don't keep my fixed target. So once price starts moving in my direction, I will start trailing my SL. And if I feel my level is not clearly broken and it reverses, then I will move my SL also, not downside, in the upward side. Currently, we all know currently both Nifty and Bank Nifty is at crucial support. So for tomorrow, 23rd September, it is not advisable to trade. In case you are getting very good opportunity to trade, then trade with a strict SL and only at levels. According to price action, I feel market should be sideways on 23rd because from last 3 4 days it was falling. So price does not move in one direction. It will at some juncture of time it should consolidate. So for tomorrow, I feel market should be in sideways. Now I will go through my watch list which I have prepared for 23rd. So first in my watch list is Cadilla. Cadilla today it was trading in the range of 381 to 398. So suppose tomorrow if breaks 398, then the next crucial level is 400. So tomorrow if it opens above 90 and then it breaks 398, then I will enter into buy side. Suppose it opens below 390 and then if it breaks 381 level or even as a risky trader, as a safe trading, if it cross 380 in the lower side, then I will go in sell side. But see, the best scenario for buying is it should open above 90, maybe around 93, 94, 95. And for sell side, the best scenario is if it opens below 390, 87, 387, 386, or something like that. And if then breaks either way, then it will be a good scenario. Next in my watch list is Century Textile. Century Textile, if it breaks 348, then I will enter into this trade in buy side with first target as 354. As I said, I will start trailing my SL in either side. And if it breaks 332 in the lower side, then I will enter into the sell side with first target around 329 and then 320. Most probably tomorrow it should give tomorrow if it breaks 332, then it should give a good movement up to 3 4 rupees. Third in my watch list is Lupin. Lupin tomorrow, if it breaks 1052, then I will go in buy side. If it breaks 1018, then I will go in sell side. This I have selected because the first 50-minute candle high and low. The second candle low is bit lower, but it have tested twice. First at 9:30 and second at 2:15. So I feel if tomorrow it breaks 1052, then it should give good movement. At least 4 5 rupees it should give. But once it starts moving in your direction, keep booking partially. Fourth in my list is SDFC Bank. This is simply in my watch list because after a good correction from 2440 or even above that, from 2530, now it have corrected to 2117, and in daily chart I see there is a doji, sorry, morning star. So this is a reversal candle. So if now it breaks 2165 high, I mean yesterday high, then it should give 10-15 rupees movement. The next in my watch list is ACC. ACC also have taken support at around 1345, and today's candle is I mean it is not a perfect doji because the body is bit bigger, but still I feel if it breaks 1345, then it may correct for 5-10 more rupees. UBL also have taken support at this point at around 940 and have reversed back. So tomorrow if 982, I mean if tomorrow it breaks today's high, then again it may give 5-10 rupees. But the condition is it should open below 982 and then it should break high. So this is my watch list for tomorrow. I hope this will be helpful for all. If you have any question about my strategy or stock selection, please write that in comment section and I will get back to you. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. If you feel my video is good, then please encourage my work by hitting like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.